Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the Belkhayate Gravity Center Indicator. All right. Now, this indicator, unfortunately, is not free. Okay, as we can see here on the MQL5 marketplace, it is for sale, right? So the current price is 30 US dollars. But before you make any financial commitments, I'm going to recommend that you try out the indicator, with a free demo first. After trying the indicator in the free demo, if it fits your expectations, if it meets up to your expectations, then you can, of course, proceed to make the financial commitment. All right. So now this indicator is basically for confirming major turning points, as we can see here, and distinguishes price extremes. All right, so generally, if price reaches the upper or lower levels, you are expected, or rather price is expected to reverse, right? For example, this is how the indicator looks like, right? So when price reaches the extreme top, the extreme band, it is expected to reverse. So you want to look out for sell opportunities, sell confirmation patterns. For example, here, after price touched the extreme band, the extreme upper band, and we had this bearish engulfing, it was a sign to sell, right? The engulfing pattern was a bearish confirmation pattern. So if you had sold here and set your stop loss above here, your take profit obviously would be towards the lower band, whether the extreme lower or perhaps the second to the last, okay, in case of if price does not reach to the extreme. So when you get price around the extreme levels, you want to look out for executing a trade in the opposite direction. Now in this case, when price goes to this extreme lower level, we want to look out for buy opportunities, right? So after we got this pin bar, it would have been a good opportunity to buy here. Stop loss obviously will be below the pattern, and take profit will obviously be around the upper bands, whether the first, second, or extreme. All right, so it's a pretty straightforward indicator. If you want to make use of this indicator, ensure that you test it first on demo to confirm that it meets your expectations before making financial commitment. I have to emphasize on that. All right, so if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. And also don't forget to turn on your notifications so you do not miss out on more valuable content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to share this video with those who you feel will also find it valuable. Okay? Cheers and God bless, guys.